house is completely empty. I'm taking my mom for dinner. I love it! Yay! I'm done for today. I just saw a Bandra girl. Oh my god. You guys, good morning. It is 30th of July and my movers have come. It is literally 7 in the morning. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, but we gotta empty the house and that's literally the plan for today. They have already started packing all the furniture. I booked it from like Porter. That's what I always do. So yeah, my mom's here, my help is here, and we are all gonna just start packing everything up, all the little things that are left. And today will be my last day here, and then we're gonna be out. We have been at it since 7 and it's 12 right now. Finally, all the things are now loading into the truck and then we're gonna take all of that into the new house. There's still so much that's left in this house. I'm gonna now just shove everything in the truck. I just took like a quick shower. It's literally worthless because I'm gonna get fully dirty again, but it's okay. I was just feeling so icky. But yeah, look at my room now. It's all empty. Now I'm feeling it. Like I'm feeling a little emo because this house has been good to me. But I'm gonna get emo later by the end of the video. Not right now. We have work to do. It is done, you guys. My house is completely empty. No longer my house, but okay, I'm gonna emo and this house has given me so much and I'm just very grateful to be starting a new chapter. Welcome to my new house. We are sipping on some matcha from Veronica's. The movers got here a while ago and unpacked a lot of things, a lot of furniture. How you saw my house in the last video, it's nothing like that right now because everything is everywhere and I'm so overstimulated. I am so intimidated by the amount of stuff that I have. So as of now, I've just kept random things in my room, but my bed is gonna look like this and there are two side tables. I always wanted two side tables. I'm gonna figure out the gap situation. That's not looking very cute. And then the rest of the house is an absolute mess. Look at it. It's just boxes and boxes everywhere. Literally my dining table, which is on top of my sofa. And then we have my fridge here. This room is again an absolute mess. There's just stuff everywhere. If you want to learn a lesson, it should be that you have to name every box no matter what, because me and my mom are literally searching every box because we can't find our pillows and bed sheets. And yesterday I named everything. I named every box, but then today everything was so hush hush. So we are literally opening every box and trying to find the pillows and the bed sheets. And my mom doesn't even have a pair of slippers. So we have found it.
Finally!
We found the cutter also. But मम्मी ये बहुत ही हैवी है, आप नहीं उठा पाओगी. आप ये पकड़ो, मैं उठाती. ये
अरे भाई
wait. ये पकड़ो.
अरे यार इसी बहुत भारी है, पता नहीं क्या है ये.
इसमें मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं.
इस चीज को पकड़, इसको खींच. पैर में दर्द हो जाए. Finally!
First night in the house and we are having McDonald's. Honestly, this is perfect. McDonald's sometimes hits and it's kind of cute and ironic and we're just gonna have this and sleep. Good morning, you guys. It's my first morning in this house. I woke up a while ago and then we straight up went to work. I will show you what me and my mom are up to right now. Wait, let me take you in the kitchen. This is what we are up to. We have opened all of the kitchen items and I'm very nicely putting everything together. Like, this looks so cute and yeah, it's everywhere. We wrapped everything in these bubble wraps so nothing breaks because all of this like is glass and I didn't want to compromise on that, so we bubble wrapped it really nicely. And now we are opening everything up and setting everything in all of these shelves, and I think that's what we are gonna do for a while. I'm also ordering our breakfast, so we are gonna do that. Happy 1st of August to all those who are celebrating. Today was the first time that I got like ready in this new house, and I'm taking my mom for dinner because she's been so nice and so kind, and she's flying back tomorrow. I'm already sad, but like, yeah, I just thought that she deserved like a really pretty dinner, so that's where we're going for. I also want to just give you all an update as to how my house is looking like today. It's much better. Honestly, the bedroom is just whatever, but this is how the living room is looking like. Finally put my dining table where it belongs, and then even the sofa is unpacked now. The kitchen also looks kind of better right now. This room has all these boxes which has my clothes and everything, and even these drawers are filled up with my makeup. It's not the best. Still work is to be done. And then in this washroom, I've just kept these two really ugly crates and I've dumped all of, my products, and that's me. And yeah, this is just a quick update. Now I'll just go for the dinner and I'll see you all tomorrow or day after, whenever. How do you like my house?
I love it. What do you mean your new house? You mean my new house?
Oh,
Because we're going to be here all the time.
it's our house.
Guys, this is my bed. This is our bed.
You look so pretty here.
Thank you.
Tanisha has gotten some amazing sweets.
Just sweeten up the new house.
Love. The last time you saw the house, it was a mess, but it's much better now. I'll show you all everything in a bit, but right now I'm getting my curtains installed, which was a task. I went to IKEA, I got the tracks, no one was able to install them, so I had to call some other people. Now they are doing their thing, and there are some more updates which I'll show you. Wait. So we have the curtain work happening. These are the new tracks. Those are the ones from IKEA which I have to return, and this is how my curtains are gonna look like. We'll have one sheer and then one like blackout or privacy curtain. So like two sets together, which is gonna be cute and really fun. I also have a functioning aqua guard now. You just press here. What the hell? Oh, there's a switch. It's on. You press and then embarrassing. It's gonna happen. It was working. What the hell? You see that? We have water in the house now. I don't have to order water from Zepto. How do you like the new house?
I love it. Honestly, it's not only about the location of the house and the fact that it's really big for one person to live in, but also everything, like all the amenities, like this fucking switchboard is so good looking. Like, you know what I mean? Like everything is so like nicely done. And she has French windows in Mumbai.
Blurring
Like,
the view.
Are you kidding me? In Bandra. Like, this does not look like a Bandra house, I'm sorry. But like, because it looks so good. Like,
Lovely.
yeah, this is like the best house you could have gotten.
Yay! It's a new day. My bed has a new bedding, which is so cute. It's from H&M Home. I am stepping out to grab lunch, and also I need to now start planning what my vision is with this house. Right now, everything that I had in my previous house, I just shifted and I placed everything, but I'm not gonna keep it like this. Like, no way, this house has a lot of potential. So we're gonna go in the cafe, have some lunch, and plan out some Pinterest boards. I might place some orders. We're gonna see, we're gonna figure. Anyways, we're gonna get going. I'm gonna figure which cafe I wanna go to now that I have so many options. home a while ago. Guys, my hair, this weather and my hair, they just don't sync well. But anyways, I placed my order from Muji. I got a couple of things which you all will see eventually when they come, and I'll do a haul. And then I have made my board and everything that, you know, I'm sort of trying to go for when it comes to this house. So this is the vibe I'm going for. It's definitely more mature. I want my house to feel cozy, mature, chic, and I'm like 24 now, so I don't want my house or my room to feel like a 16-year-old's, if you know what I mean. But again, there'll be hints of my girliness every here and there, and don't worry about that. That's literally my personality. But like, yeah, a lot of wooden furniture, a lot of like tiling, which I'm planning to do for my bathroom. I'll have to figure out like how to do this and whatever. This is my idea for wardrobe. I have to order it from IKEA. I'll have to check if they'll be able to do something like this, and I will have to get a custom mirror. So I'm speaking to a couple of brands because I really want to get this like trifold mirror. Like, it looks so pretty. So yeah, that's the plan so far. All in all, I just feel that especially this room, I don't want to fill up too much. Like, my bed is there are some nightstands, and then here I might put something which I've gotten from Muji. I'll just have to figure out where and how. And then there's gonna be a mirror. I'm gonna get rid of this mirror which I have from IKEA, this one, which has been in my house since forever. But yeah, I need a bigger mirror now, so I'm planning to put it maybe there. But then how will I do my fit checks? I don't know. I'm just figuring the placements. But that's for this room. And then the entire house, I want to get a new couch, so I'm figuring that. And then we have a balcony. My owners have been nice enough to lend me 2 chairs that they had, which are really like dainty and antique. So I'm gonna put those in the balcony, and then I'm gonna order like a table, like a small table, just so I can sit, have like some tea or matcha, read in the morning, like just a cute setup. And then that room will be glam room. I just have to get the wardrobes, and that should be done. I don't think I'm getting anything else, and the vanity mirror, of course. And then for my living room, I have to get my TV sorted, which by the way broke during shifting. So I called Porter and I was like, guys, this is not cool. And they were like, yeah, it's our fault, we'll get it repaired. So I hope they're able to repair it, and I hope they're able to get it back to me in good condition, because I borrowed it from a friend. I mean, he's not gonna take it back from me, but then still, like, I like that TV. And then yeah, I have to get rugs for my room and my living room. I have to get a coffee table, which I did not have back in my previous house, but I'm gonna have it in this house. That would be it. I'm not gonna do anything in my kitchen because my kitchen touchwood is so good and it's so well done, so I don't want to touch it. That's it. I have run you guys through literally everything, and now I'm gonna see you, I don't know when. You all know I'm in a new neighborhood, and I have already done so much. It's barely been a week and I have been out and about every single day. I'm so happy and proud of myself. I forgot to vlog, but I'll quickly catch you up on everything I've done so far. I went out to get some groceries from local vendors and Food Square. I have been making my own breakfast every other day now. It's been 3-4 days. I met Tanisha and we went to a cafe just to chill, hang, yap. I also called so many of my friends over to my house, and we've been ordering so much food because the induction has still not started, like the gas and everything. And right now I'm actually going to a yoga class with a friend of mine, Vrinda. We have been making this plan since forever, and some or the other thing just goes wrong. But today I was like, you know what, you're going, I'm coming, because I can. She lives so nearby, and like the classes, I think like a 20-minute walk. So I'm just gonna walk right now, and I'm gonna do my first yoga class. So I'm just really excited to be spending these days in a new neighborhood, and I just want to take you all along. Hi.
Rotten makeup all day. I'm from 8 a.m.
So cute, likes me.
Oh wow, my face looks that sad.
Guys, it's a weekend and I am going for something so cute. It's like almost 6 right now, and me and my friend Aryaki are gonna go to Carter's, and we're gonna have like a little draw date, because she saw my stories and she was like, Muskan, you draw so well, and even I wanna draw with you. And we just made this plan, and I'm gonna meet her at drink. We're gonna grab matcha, and then we're gonna go to Carter's, and we're just gonna have a good time.
guys, I just saw a Bandra girl. Oh my god.
I can't meet my dish. She has given me the flower. She's the sweetest. God bless. So pretty. We found a cute spot. We have our stuff. This is my bag. This is everything that I got. These are my crayons. Wow, I like your crayons.
So small. Like this is what our comparison is.
Camera shy. So cute. What is this place called? It's shopping time. I got a gift for my landlords. It's a cute vase, and Aryaki was like, you should take it with flowers in it, and that would be a cute idea. Thank you. She has introduced me to a new cute place.
First flowers of the house.
Yeah, I didn't even
Finally.
get flowers for myself, and you've gotten it.
With a nutty part.
Yay! I love it. Guys, suggest names for Mr. Dog. I am making my favorite breakfast. It's a Sunday, and I am so happy to be making my breakfast, like already a highlight of my day. We have some really fresh avocado, like look at it, it turned out perfect. And then I have whisked some matcha. It's gonna be a cream breakfast. I'm kind of getting into my routine now. Not gonna lie, it's kind of tough to, move into a new house and then you just don't know what to do and where to start from. I think for me, it's just my breakfast. If I'm making my breakfast and having my breakfast, I'm gonna be fine. So good. It's like healing me. My matcha is so good. Even though I am, in this area now, I refuse to spend my money on matcha. I'm like, I can just make it, and most of the times I make better matcha than most of the cafes. Yeah, so I'm not spending 300, 400 on a matcha, which I can very much make on my own. Look who we have in our house today. Yes, we are making matcha.
I'm supposed to be vlogging my week and I forgot.
Done. We have a real dog in the house. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's the same. They're the same. Give your 2 cents on the house.
Bro, it's too cute, bro. I can see
You
the
have not even
possibilities.
seen it.
I saw it on Instagram, but I can see the possibilities of what can be of this house.
And what do you think? Do you like it?
Time to say, happy.
Oh, guys, I can't. You're the only one who has seen this from like scratch.
It's stunning. It's actually stunning and it's so beautiful and it's just like, it's so you.
Oh,
I love it. I love it.
Anita came and helped me pick my keys.
Yeah, 'cause
she has helped me house hunting. Yeah,
I've seen
you've
this
really
room,
seen it.
Khali, and it's like fitting, like it's starting to come together. So
Also, like,
you will be like this in 5 minutes.
yeah. Wow, lovely.
All Muskans today. Muski's clothes, Muski's clothes.
Yeah, actually styled by Muskan because
Like now it's about each person's vibe.
yes, thank you. I think styling could be my alternate career.
I think you should do it.
After 2 whole weeks, I have my curtains and I'm so annoyed because they're not the right size. Like my sheer ones, the tailor altered it right. But my blackout ones, he messed up completely, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm so pissed because I'm having a really hard time with these curtains and all these other things, and I'm just like, give me a break. But yeah, I can't do anything about it. I'm just gonna put the sheer ones, which I have right now, in my room at least, and see how they look. I'm praying. So I've put these hooks and now I'm just gonna hang them on the tracks. These are just from a local guy, but you can get the better ones at IKEA, but I just forgot to get them. But yeah, let's try to hang them up. Okay guys, I'm realizing these are also not done right because they are clearly long. Like an inch needs to be folded. I am really losing my mind here. Like, it shouldn't be this hard. Since morning, I've been at it with these curtains, and I think I figured it out, at least for the sheer ones. For the main curtains, I literally called someone and I was like, you take the measurements, you figure it out, you like do everything. I don't want to get involved. But for the sheer ones, instead of putting the hook in the first line, I put it in the second line, and I think it looks fine right now. I'll show you. But yeah, I'm just gonna tuck these off like on the tracks now, and I just want to be done at least with these sheer ones. I've had a hell of a day just because of these curtains. Oh my god. At least my sheer curtains are on, and now I don't have to sleep just like that. So that in itself is a win for me. I'm done for today.